Chapter 19, Means of Transport. A way of carrying people or goods from one place to another is called transport. We need different means of transport for traveling to different places. In olden days, man traveled on foot. It took a long time for him to reach far-off places. It was also very tiring. Later, he used animals for traveling. With the invention of wheel, carts and carriages were used. Gradually, man developed many vehicles that move on land, water or in air. Some of them are slow, some are fast, and some are very fast. These vehicles can be divided into three groups: land transport, water transport, air transport. Slow-moving vehicles. Some vehicles such as bullock carts, tongas, camel carts, bicycles and rickshaws move slow. We mostly find bullock carts, tongas and camel carts in villages. Bicycles and rickshaws move both in villages and in cities. Some vehicles such as boats, steamers and ships carry many people and goods. They move slow on water. Fast-moving vehicles. Some vehicles such as buses, cab buses, auto rickshaws, cars, trucks, vans, motorcycles and scooters have powerful engines that run on petrol, diesel or CNG. They move fast. People use trains and buses to travel within the country. Trains and metro trains run on rails, so they are called railways. The trains that carry passengers are called passenger trains. In big cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, metro trains runs. Also in some other cities such as Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kochi metro trains are available for local transport. Ria had gone to the railway station. There she saw the station master's office. He was in charge of the station. He coordinates and controls the running of the train. There were many vendors on the station who sold things. Then there were coolies who carried luggage. They also wore a colored uniform. She also saw a ticket collector. He checks tickets of the travelers in the train. She also saw a guard. He is the person who helps in running the train. Very fast-moving vehicles. Aeroplanes and helicopters are used for air transport. They move very fast. They are very costly, but they help us to save a lot of our time. Aeroplanes are used to travel far-off places outside the country. Helicopters are mostly in hilly areas. They are very useful during natural disasters. Spacecrafts and rockets are also means of air transport. Astronauts use spacecrafts to travel into space. People also use gliders and hot air balloons to fly in the air. These are used in adventure sports. Goods transportation. Goods are transport from one place to another. Trucks, goods trains, and cargo ships are the means of goods transportation. Traffic jam and pollution. Today, vehicles are increasing on the roads. This has resulted in huge traffic jams in the city roads. In a traffic jam, mostly vehicles release harmful gases. All living things breathe and use air to live. However, with increase in the number of vehicles on the road, there has been an increase in air and noise pollution. Most of the vehicles on the road use petrol and diesel as fuel. The burning fuel releases huge amounts of harmful gases, thus making the air more poisonous. Noise from jet planes also has added greatly to the noise pollution. Steps being taken to reduce air and noise pollution. Nowadays, greater efforts are being made to bring out vehicles that run on CNG or electricity. It helps to protect the environment by reducing different kinds of pollution and other harmful effects on life on the earth. Some of the eco-friendly modes of transport which not only help in reducing air and noise but help in reducing the use of petrol and diesel as well, etc. are bicycles and rickshaws, electric cars and scooters, CNG buses and autos. Apart from using the above modes of transport, the following steps can help reduce the use of petrol and diesel. Using public transport such as buses, trains, metro trains, etc. wherever possible. Doing carpooling for going to work. Using the school bus for going to school. Benefits of eco-friendly modes of transportation. Eco-friendly modes of transport have several benefits. Below are some of the main benefits of eco-friendly modes of transport. Very little or no environmental pollution since they do not burn any oil. Saves the money. Helps in healthy living as we get clean air to breathe. There are many other benefits as well, which improves quality of human life. Hence, we should adopt eco-friendly means of transport as much as possible. Let's remember, we need different means of transport to travel from one place to another. In olden times, man travelled on foot. Later on, animal-driven vehicles were used. Different animals are used as means of transport in different regions. Now, the modern means of transport are used.